Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove lines in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a really useful skill when you need to clean up PDF documents by getting rid of unnecessary lines or markings. Let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Go ahead and sign in to access your account and all its features. This step ensures you have full access to all the editing tools available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. After you're logged in, take a look at your workspace. You'll want to navigate to Recent Files, which typically appears on the home screen or in the File menu. This section displays all the PDF documents you've worked on recently, making it easy to quickly locate the file you need. From here, select the PDF file that contains the lines you want to remove. Click on it to open the document in the editor. Now that your PDF is open, it's time to identify and select the lines you want to delete. Click directly on the line you wish to remove. When you do this, the line should become highlighted or show selection handles around it, indicating that it's now active and ready to be edited. This selection process is crucial because it tells Adobe Acrobat exactly which element you want to modify or delete. With the line selected, look for the trash icon in your toolbar. This icon represents the delete function and is your key to removing unwanted elements from your PDF. Click on the trash icon and the selected line will be deleted from your document. You'll notice the line disappears immediately, cleaning up your PDF as intended. If you have multiple lines that need to be removed throughout your document, you'll want to repeat these steps for each one. Simply click on the next line you want to delete, then click the trash icon again. This process allows you to methodically work through your document, removing as many lines as necessary until your PDF looks exactly how you want it. Once you've finished removing all the unwanted lines, it's important to save your work. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll find the Save button. Click on it to preserve all the changes you've made to your document. This ensures that your edited PDF is stored with all the lines removed and you won't lose any